Hi, Steve again from Awesome. I'm back in the training room, and today I'm going to be talking about, and I'm going to have to say this slowly, the ECS Street Steel Sump Pan. You don't know how many times I've had to say that. Okay, so what does this sump pan do, or what does it replace? It replaces, on the EA888 Gen I, 2 and 3 engines, with the exception, unfortunately, of the Polo, Ibiza and the S1, the plastic sump that is supplied by the OE, which is prone to leaks and prone to cracking. Okay, as I said before, this replaces the OE plastic item. It comes with all fixings required, so nuts, bolts and sealant. It also has the aperture for the oil level sensor. Of course, in a previous video, we've spoken about magnetic sump plugs. Good time to add one of those to this when you're fitting one of these. These, of course, are available on our website. If you're unsure whether it fits your car or not, give us a call. The sales team will be happy to help.